For my video project, I'm going to be showing you how to fix a flat bike tire. First things first is that you're going to have to remove the bike wheel. Now I'm going to remove this little thing. Now I'm going to use this bike tire lever, and I'm going to put it in right here and pop it out. It works better if you use two. Just gonna do that again. I'm just going to slide it. Now you're going to want to pop out this thing that you used to blow air into the tube. And you're going to pull the tube out. Now you're going to want to blow the tire up with air to find the hole. So that's the right thing on it. And you're going to want to pump it up. One way you can do it is just go around the tube and just see if you can feel the hole. If that doesn't work, you can fill your sink up or a big bowl with water and put it in the water and it'll bubble. I'll show you. Okay, so I feel the hole, and if you can't feel it or find it, you can also get a bowl of water and put it in the water. And if there's bubbles, as you can tell, there's bubbles right here. So that's where the hole is. And you can kind of hear it sizzle. Anyway. Now since you found the hole, I'm going to turn it off. I actually can't see it. Okay. You're going to, so since I found the hole, it's super small, so I'm going to use a Sharpie. And I'm going to mark, I can't see it. I'm going to mark it with the Sharpie. Okay. Now you're going to, you can buy these at bike stores, and there's these little bike kits. First you're going to use, it comes with a sander, so you're going to have to sand it off to clean it. So get it nice and clean. Okay, and just like that. And now you're going to get the glue. I'm going to remark it. Oops. What the? I'm just going to remark it super fast. And now I'm going to put some glue on there. I'm going to sit down. So you're going to have to get your fingers dirty. And I need to open this. Okay. Oops. Now I'm just going to put some glue on there. Everywhere. Okay. And now you're going to, depending on the hole, but if you have a small hole, you should use the smaller ones. So, smaller patches. Oh wait, this is double, so. Okay, you do not want to touch the orange part. So, okay, so the hole's right here. And I'm just gonna lay that right on top of the hole. And then I'm gonna push down firmly. And it's like an allergic reaction, a chemical reaction to the glue. And once that's done, you can leave this plastic thing on or you can just take it off. I'm just going to leave it on there. And now you're going to start by putting this back into the bowl. So, oh, and you might want to find out, so my hole, so as you can tell, I have tons of holes on here. So say, so my holes are here, so you're gonna find where the hole is and try to find where it was and see if there's a thorn or something where it is, because you don't want to put it back in and then it pops over again, which would be really annoying. So I know it's not because I actually purposely made this hole, so yeah. So I'm gonna first find where I have to put in the hole, which is right here. And put that in. And I need it on too. I really can't do this. Oh yeah. You might want to let some air out. Let some air out before you put it in. It will be way easier that way. Okay, I think that's good. Now, I'm just going to put this in. I'm just going to shove it in there. It might take a little while, but after lots of practice, you can do it. Okay, so I got it in. And I'm going to just push it in there, like that. And right here it should be. Now I'm going to put on this back on, so the thing doesn't pop off. Make sure it's nice and tight on there. And not too tight. And now I'm going to pump the wheel back up. Okay, that's nice and tight. Make sure you tighten that back. Now you're going to put the wheel back in. You have to line it perfectly because this metal disc has to go into that little line right there. But you don't want it to go right there, you want it to go right in that. So you have to line up perfectly or it will not fit. It gets kind of frustrating. Just like that. And you might want to pull up on the wheel when you're tightening it. If it's too tight, it will not close, but if it's too loose, it will be too loose like that. So that means you have to tighten it. But if you see, that's a little too loose. But that's too tight because it won't go. So I'm going to loosen it a little bit. A little more. And there. That's how you fix a flat tire. Bye.